be doing before we get on set. Do not buy your skateboards from Decathlon. What the actual fuck is going on with this? Today we're going to be making the slip and slide outfit. So we saw this place and we were like, this looks like a good place for a slip and slide, but tarp's expensive. And we thought, what if we just wear the slip and slide? Today Joe's behind the camera because last video he suffered some really bad brain injuries. And in today's video we're going to try a shorter style of video because it seems to be working better. I get better analytics. Here the analytics on one of my other videos. I don't know how you got bored at the 1 second mark. I don't know what I did wrong, but I'll try better. I'm trying better today.
Guys, this is no fucking on.
I think this is really going to work. I don't see why it won't. I think I'm ready for my new Balenciaga shoot. What do we think? We're only using surf because surf's up when we're on a slip and slide. You're a fucker. That's the one thing I was hoping for, you know, it doesn't go in my head. You put so much on my feet and for what?
Surf's up.
Joseph! Joseph, what are you doing, Joseph? Joseph! I'm so fucking dizzy! That looks funny.
Come here. Come here.
This time we're doing it backside.
Jump.
Watch the last video for the beep test getting shot where Joe suffered brain damage, and watch the cactus swing ball and other stuff on my channel. There's more great videos coming soon. Oh, and follow the Patreon. You can win the wingsuit. This suit is sadly not going on there.